Imagine this, a factory full of workers, sparks flying, machines running, conveyor belts moving, everything looks perfect until one operator shouts. Machine stopped, production halts, deadlines missed, clients angry, and all because the machine couldn't handle one small operation efficiently. That's where special purpose machines comes into a picture. Hello everyone, this is Sagar Rathod. Welcome back to 4 Dimensions Infotech, where we help mechanical engineers turn their skills into successful design careers. Today we are talking about the field that's full of innovation, creativity and real engineering. So what's exactly the SPM is? SPM stands for Special Purpose Machines. Machines that are custom designed to do one specific job faster, cheaper and more accurately than standard machines. For example, a drilling machine that drills 10 holes in one go, an automatic welding setup for a bike chassis, a component loading robot that replaces manual labor. These are not off-the-shelf machines. They are designed for one company, one process and one purpose. And guess who designs them? Mechanical engineers like you. SPM are the heart of modern manufacturing, used in automotive plants, defense, aerospace, electronics and even packaging industries. Companies like Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto, Mahindra, Bosch, Siemens and Hero MotoCorp all use SPMs to speed up production and reduce cost. The global industrial automation market is already over 200 billion and growing every year. And a large part of that growth is driven by SPM designers and automation engineers. In India alone, the demand of engineers who can design custom automation and SPM machines is increasing rapidly because companies want to reduce human errors and save time. Now let's talk about your career path and how your next 5 years can look if you start learning SPM design today. In your first year, you will start as a junior design engineer, learning how to design jigs, fixture, tool layouts and simple mechanisms using 3D software like SolidWorks, Creo or NX. Then, as you gain experience, you will be promoted as a machine design engineer, where you will design complete SPMs including pneumatics, hydraulics and motion mechanisms. By your third or fourth year, you can become a project engineer or design lead, handling clients' requirements, creating design concepts and supervising the manufacturing and assembly. In 5 years, you could be managing full projects from idea to installation in top manufacturing companies or automation firms. A fresher in SPM design usually starts from 20,000 to 30,000 per month. But once you become an independent designer or project lead, you can easily earn 60,000 to 1 lakh per month or more. And if you work with global clients in automation, the income can grow much higher because custom machine designers are rare and always in demand. Now, how do you actually learn SPM design? You need 3 things: strong basics of mechanical design and manufacturing, knowledge of tools like SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA or NX, understanding of pneumatics, hydraulics, sensors and automation logic. At 4 Dimensions Infotech, we teach all of them step by step. You will start with the fundamentals of machine design, then learn to design complete SPMs from concept sketches to 3D modeling, assembly, detailing and motion simulation. We will also guide you through a real-life industrial projects. So by the end of the course, you will have a complete portfolio project that you can proudly flaunt to any company. And of course, we provide 100% placement assistance, helping you connect with automation and manufacturing companies across India. Visit our website or contact us for more details to enroll in the course and start your journey with 4 Dimensions Infotech today. Let me tell you something real. Most mechanical engineers spend their careers operating or maintaining machines, but the real growth starts when you design the machine. SPM design gives you that power to imagine something, design it and then see it built and working in real life. That feeling when your own machine starts working on the shop floor is something every engineer should experience at least at once. So if you're a mechanical engineer who loves design, automation and innovation, then SPM design is the field that can truly define your career. Start learning it today with 4 Dimensions Infotech, where we train you to become industry ready, skilled and confident. Now tell me in the comments, if you could design your own special machine, what problems would you solve with it? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on real world design careers from CAD to CAM to SPM and beyond. Thanks for watching. And remember, great machines aren't found in catalogs. They are designed by great engineers and that could be you.